Hi, I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation. Used to be a divorce mediator, been doing this for over 23 years. I can help you. The topic is, my wife says she doesn't feel loved. I say consider yourself extremely lucky that that's what she told you, because she's telling you that for a reason. Do you remember how you used to be when you were dating her, when you discovered, this is my soulmate, I gotta have her, we gotta get married, we gotta have kids, we gotta da 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 da. Remember those days? How you smiled all the time. You complimented her. You told her how she's losing weight, how she's gorgeous, how she's the most wonderful. And it's all true. Because from your perspective as her soulmate, you saw her in the light of love. But then we let go. We think marriage is about, you know what, she's going to be around. We don't say that consciously. I don't really have to do this for her. We don't want to serve our wives anymore. How could that be? You want her to love you, but you're not expressing your love to her in a way that really makes a difference. You want to sweep her off her feet. You don't have to be Humphrey Bogart to do that. You've probably never heard of him, have you? You just need to be you. The you who loves her more than anyone in the world. The you who caters to her. The you that doesn't mind spending all your money on her, as long as she's happy. You know, women are not men. They don't think the way men think. And you know that. But you make excuses for not taking care of her as a woman. But she's a woman. You can't take care of her the way you would a man. You can't be sarcastic with her. You got to be loving towards her. You can't be mean to her or show her anger. You have to be kind to her. Recognize her beauty, her gift of love to you. You can fix this. So this is what comes before, I think we need a divorce. So don't let this just slide. Get one of my books, that'll help you. Of course, watch these videos, it helps, but it's not as thorough. This is serious, so get serious. That's my point. And if you want to get really serious, you get the course for men. Go ahead to the website and download the 10 top do's and don'ts. That'll help you, but don't be satisfied with doing just a little bit. Go for this. Make your marriage amazing. You have that power. You've been warned by her and now by me. You're on a slippery slope. Right now it's moving in the wrong direction. You have the power to turn it around. I have the power to help you. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. Give the thumbs up. Move on into our website. We're so different from everyone else, as you already can realize. We want to help you. Thanks for stopping by. God bless you. And don't let this fall down. Take care.